Mechanical engineering offers diverse career options in areas including the aeronautics and automotive industries, acoustics, biomechanics, manufacturing, minerals and energy technology, robotics, and construction. As a mechanical engineer, you could specialize in many fields which will be presented in this video. First off is Aeronautical Engineer. Perform and supervise the design, development, manufacture, and maintenance work of all types of flight vehicles. This may include military and civilian aeroplanes, helicopters, missiles, launch vehicles, spacecraft, satellites and control and guidance systems. Automotive Engineer. Design, manufacture and operate ground-based vehicles, such as motorcycles, automobiles, buses and trucks and their respective engineering subsystems. Building Services Engineer. Design and develop the inner workings of buildings to provide a safe and functional work environment. Construction Engineer. Plan and manage the construction of structures such as highways, bridges, airports, railroads, buildings, dams, and reservoirs. Consultant Engineer. Undertake independent contract work for clients in a particular field. Consulting engineers generally work on a project-by-project basis for a variety of clients. Engineering Project Manager. Plan, administer and review engineering and technical projects. Management Consultant. Study the procedures and systems used in an organization to assess how individuals and the organization as a whole can best operate. Manufacturing Systems Engineer. Design and improve systems and equipment that complete tasks accurately and change raw materials into products with minimal wastage of time, materials, and energy.